model method. Joel and Ryan had an equal number of trading cards. After Joel gave away 467 trading cards and Ryan gave away 179 trading cards, Ryan had 4 times as many trading cards as Joel. Find the total number of trading cards Joel and Ryan had at first. Now, if we are going to look for a statement that shows the relationship between two quantities, then we have two of them here. One, Joel and Ryan had an equal number of trading cards. We can start from here. This is one way of solving it, where we start from the beginning. After Joel gave away 467 trading cards and Ryan gave away 179 trading cards, Ryan had 4 times as many trading cards as Joel. This is the second statement, which also shows the relationship between the number of trading cards each of them had. So we can start from here, which would be easier as well. And we are starting from the end. So let's start from here. Ryan had 4 times as many trading cards as Joel. So to do that, Joel comes after 4 times as many trading cards as. So we'll start with Joel. Let's say this Joel had some amount of trading cards, which is represented by 1 box or 1 unit. And we know Ryan had 4 times as many trading cards. So for Ryan, we would have 4 units or 4 boxes drawn. So this is the amount with Joel. Ryan had 4 times, so we'll have 4 such boxes here. So now this was at the end, which means something happened before we ended up here. So what happened before that? That is, Joel gave away 467 trading cards and Ryan gave away 179 trading cards. So Joel gave away 467 trading cards. So let's put them back here. All right, Joel gave away 467. So what Joel had at first is this plus 467, and what Ryan had at first is this many 4 units plus 179. And now we go back to one statement before that. Before that, what was the status of Ryan and Joel? Both had an equal number of trading cards. So let's draw a diagram to represent that here. So that is, it has to be something like this, because they had an equal number of trading cards. So the total size of what Ryan had and the total size of what Joel had should be equal. And when you look at this diagram, this portion is 179. So an equal sized portion here should be equal to 179. So let's put that here. So this is 179. Earlier, you remember this whole thing was 467, out of which we found out this area is actually representing 179 trading cards. So what will happen to this portion alone? That should be 467 minus whatever this is. So that is equal to 288. So this piece here is 288. And in terms of size comparison, this is equal to the 3 units shown here, which clearly shows us that the value of the 3 boxes or 3 units here should be equal to 288. So we say 3 units is equal to 288, and 3's are identical units, which means 1 unit should be 288 divided by 3, which gives us 96. So each of these units here, they are equal to 96. So now we want to find out the total number of trading cards Joel and Ryan had at first. We can either compute this, we can add up all of these, or we just find, let's say for Joel, and then times 2. So Joel had 96 plus 288 plus 179. That is 563. And Ryan also had 563. So the total number of cards with both Joel and Ryan would be 573 times 2, because there's 2 times of that, and that is equal to 1126 trading cards. So in this case, we started at the end and then moved towards the beginning to understand or to find out the number of trading cards both of them had. Hope this was easy. If you have any doubts, do drop your comments. And if you liked it, please do share with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these kind of problems solved using Singapore math. Happy learning as always. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.